clarify an issue, no? Kasi I'm being under attack na parang against daw ako kagad sa impeachment na hindi pa naipapasa, no? First of all, yung impeachment process is a constitutional duty. Kung sakali talagang found sufficient informed at mapadali sa Senado, we really have to perform our constitutional duty to become senator judges, no, in an impeachment court. Una sa lahat, kaya ako po nabanggit na sabi ko, napofrustrate na siguro ako out of frustration na hindi ako pabor sa impeachment or lalo na sa mga political squabble dahil na pag-iiwanan na tayo ng mga karating bansa natin, no? Both impeachment, no? Imagine our country is now facing 2 impeachments of the top 2 officials. Ano na lang ang ano nito, no? Ang implications sa international community, no? Na it creates a perception of political instability. We are already losing out our foreign direct investors to countries like Thailand, Indonesia, and lalo na po sa Vietnam. They're getting more than double of what we're getting. Ngayon, nababawasan pa tayo. So, ako naman siguro out of frustration na sana kung sakasakali magkaroon ng impeachment or kahit anong sabihin na natin, it's a politically charged process, maging madali. And we have to go back to our duty or yung ating po trabaho, no, na yung mga mas malaking challenges, no, infrastructure, healthcare, agri, food security, na syempre nasa sideline to with all of these things that are happening. May floodgate scandal, panay corruption, tapos impeachment, dalawa pa impeachment natin, kay President Bongbong Marcos, meron pa kay VP Sara. So, yun lang sa akin siguro because it has been my advocacy. Alam niyo naman po yun. Consistent po ako sa infrastructure development, sa healthcare and all, na parang yung ating mga karating bansa, Vietnam and all, are doing all the right things while we are, kung hindi man nag-stagnate, parang nag-regress pa tayo na pag-iiwanan na tayo. So, doon po nanggaling yung sinabi ko na sana, kaya ako in a way against, pero sana mapabilis, no? But be rest assured na kung sakali man mag-found insufficient informed, we really have to perform our duties as impeachment court judges.